So my people, today is the 1st of July. The sun is kind of there and not there. It was breezy and lovely. So today I'm just gonna walk it to go and get this newspaper because I wanna start free newspaper. Can you see that? Yeah. I wanna start reading. I got a few newspapers. I'm collecting them. So soon I'm gonna start reading the local stuff. What's happening? So I better get a train. Yeah, I'm gonna walk it. Go and get a train because I wanted to get a bus for 8 minutes past. Missed that. So today I'm gonna ride in a train and I don't know, it's coming now or what. I'm just taking my time. I didn't even look if it's cancelled or not, but the weather is pretty nice. And this is the train station. You can hear the noise going away so deep. So I might as well get the train today. I'm feeling the train. And there's a train. So I'm just gonna walk it, the path. I'm not gonna go in the stairs. I'm too tired for that. There's the stairs. So I'm walking down the hill. It's much better. And I'm looking beautiful, and the breeze just blowing my hair. Beautiful day, 1st of July. So my people, I like the way you guys are following me. And look at all these beautiful flowers. Such a beautiful flowers, and it's beautiful. So just gonna do this. Yes. Okay, my people, talk to you later. It would be great. Like, subscribe and follow me. Bye.